let's discuss some of the Linux commands that are helpful in our Docker journey. So for example, if I cat the information of all the users, I need to do cat/etc/pass wd. When I hit return, you will see that there are a long list of users that exist on this particular system. And if I want to find a value for a particular user, that would be highly difficult for me, and I have to go through this list, which is obviously a quite cumbersome task. So for that, what I'll do is I'll clear the screen and I'll repeat the same command, but this time I will use a pipe sign and then I use a keyword called grep. This keyword is used to filter out the results, and followed by this you have to type in the search command or the search keyword rather. So in case I want to find out all the users that have dev in them, I'll write grep and then dev and I hit return. You can see now I have 4 users returned and all of them have dev in them. If I want to even filter out this one, what I can do is dev docs, that is the username of the first user. And when I hit return, you can see that now only one user is being returned. Let's clear the screen and let me show you something really interesting. If I use the same command, but instead of a small d, I type in a capital D and I hit return, interestingly, no user is being returned. Now, why is that? It is because by default, the grep is case sensitive. And if you want to make it case insensitive, what you need to do is add the -i flag. Tell that this particular search term should be searched in case sensitively. So if I return now, you can see that again, I see the result of that particular user. So grep command is a very handy command that will help you filter out different logs in your containers, your Docker, and even filter out the results of your images and different things that we will see in our later lectures.